Hi, I'm Anne Stern. I'm an NLP spiritual life coach. I'm also a tarot reader, Reiki master and teacher, and I also perform house blessings. So today I want to talk to you about house blessings and why I think they're important. When you move into your new home, which I assume you've just done, or you're about to move into your new home, the energy of the people that were there before is still there. So it is good to energetically clear that space, inject or energize new energy, positive energy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come into your home and I'm going to clear the space and I'm going to remove all the old energy, negative energy, so that it's like a spiritual spring clean, if you like. And then I'm going to perform a house blessing to attract abundance, prosperity, love, healing, and protection. Please contact me on the number listed below if you would like me to come in and perform this blessing for you. Have a lovely day.